Awesome. Welcome to Module 7, and congratulations also on making this far. Not many people do, so congratulations once again. I hope you've been enjoying this journey we've been taking together. In this module, it's going to be really cool. We're going to go through all the secondary features, all the additional features that Instagram keep adding that you can use to compound this growth that you're getting on your Instagram account. So we're going to go through things like how to get verified, which is going to increase your conversion rate, Instagram TV, Instagram Live, any other features that Instagram are adding into their platform. We're always going to come back into this module and we're going to update them here, making sure you can make full use of every single feature on the Instagram platform to make sure you're getting as much growth as possible. And then, of course, converting that growth into trust and affinity, and converting that trust and affinity into sales of your product or service. So, not going to waste your time here on this intro. Let's jump into the actual content.